Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to change your UnRaid to dark mode. As you see, like right now, mine's like white and it kind of burns my eyes out. So to do this, it's actually pretty simple. We just go to settings, we go down here to display settings, and these are different settings that we have. So for example, we can change the date format, we can change the number format, we can change what shows up on the dashboard if we want like Docker and VMs or just one or the other. Same thing with the temperature, right? But the purpose of this video is just to show you the background. So the dynamic color scheme, we're going to go with black, and we're just going to hit apply. We're going to go back here to dashboard, and it's just that simple to get you a nice looking dashboard by making it black instead of that burning white.